In part 4 of this program, we will discuss the benefits of the COVID-19 vaccine. COVID-19 vaccines protect you from severe illness and death from the virus by helping the body develop immunity. They may also help reduce the spread of the virus between people. So, one person's choice to get vaccinated could save many more lives. COVID-19 vaccines are a key tool in ending the pandemic and getting societies back to normal. Mass vaccination campaigns should also help reduce the pressure on health workers and hospitals, allowing them to attend to patients with other conditions. The World Health Organization recommends you get a COVID-19 vaccine as soon as one is available to you. There are two key reasons to get vaccinated. One, to protect yourself, and two, to protect those around you. Because not everyone can be vaccinated, including very young babies, those who are seriously ill or have certain allergies, they depend on others being vaccinated to ensure that they are also safe from vaccine-preventable diseases. When a person decides and gets vaccinated against a disease, their risk of infection is also reduced, so they are far less likely to spread the disease to others. As more people in a community get vaccinated, fewer people remain vulnerable, and there is a less of a possibility for passing the germ on from person to person. What should you be doing? Updating your current policies and procedures. Start by determining the fairness of a mandatory vaccination policy as well as its implementation. Remember, these are general guidelines, and the size and nature of your business may warrant a different approach. The guidelines as set out in these directives are not a substitute for collective agreements or agreed procedures. The key principles of these guidelines is that employers and employees should treat each other with mutual respect. Now, subject to the agreements, the plan must state that the identified employees must be vaccinated when it becomes available for them. The right of the employee to refuse based on the Constitution and the opportunity to have discussions with the occupational health and safety reps or any union they might belong to. Employers, you should, if reasonably practicable, transport to and from the vaccination site any employee that is registered under the EVDS registration portal. If an employee does suffer from side effects, please ensure that they take paid sick leave in terms of the basic conditions of employment or any applicable collective agreement that you've come to. You may also lodge a claim for the compensation for occupational injuries and disease. And if an employee refuses to be vaccinated, well, then they should be counseled, and if requested, allow them to seek guidance from their health and safety representative or their union. If they have contraindications, refer them to further medical evaluation. If necessary, take steps to accommodate the employee in a position that does not require them to be vaccinated. Remember, according to the Consolidated Directive Section 3.4, employers are to take into account the rights of their employees to bodily integrity according to the Constitution of South Africa as set out in Section 12.2. The right to freedom of religion, belief, and opinion in Section 15 of the Constitution. So why have you been requested to go on this COVID-19 vaccine awareness program? And why are we discussing all of this information? Well, it is because the Consolidated Direction on Occupational Health and Safety Measures in certain workplaces under Section 4.1 G1 states that employers must provide you as employees with information that raises awareness in any form or manner of the dangers of the COVID-19 virus. This includes the manner of transmission, measures to prevent transmission, the nature of vaccines used in the country, the benefits associated with these vaccines, the contraindications for vaccines, and the nature and risk of any serious side effects of severe allergic reactions. This program has been designed to give you the information needed to make an informed decision whether to make a mandatory vaccination policy or for yourself as an employee to go and get the vaccination. Just as a reminder, if you are currently eligible, please register at vaccine.enroll.health.gov.za. Please follow these 5 steps. You will need access to the internet on any device, your ID number or passport if you are a non-South African resident, your general contact information, information about your employment, and where relevant, your professional registration details and medical aid may be requested. Remember, it only takes 2 to 3 minutes. Let's recap. COVID-19 vaccines protect you from severe illness and death from the virus by helping the body develop immunity. They may also help reduce the spread of the virus between people. So, one person's choice to get vaccinated could save many more lives. There are 2 key reasons to get vaccinated: to protect yourself and to protect those around you. Because not everyone can be vaccinated, including very young babies or those who are seriously ill or have certain allergies, they depend on us. They depend on others being vaccinated to ensure that they are also safe from vaccine-preventable diseases, such as COVID-19. Please visit the sacoronavirus.co.za website for more information. To do more research, visit the National Institute for Communicable Diseases, the World Health Organization, or the Centers for Disease Control. Remember to do your part.